Welcome back. Union Home Ministry has issued the advisory to all states on the backdrop on terror attack on school in Peshawar, Pakistan. On this backdrop, Goa Police has put the state under surveillance. Special branch ATS will assess the terror threats. Security of schools and colleges across the state will be reviewed. Police will keep an extra vigil on religious places, bus stands, railway stations and other important installations.
In view of the recent terrorist strike in Australia and in Pakistan, we received the advisory, and accordingly we have already given instructions. I have given instruction to my DIGs to brief all the staff, all the SPs working under him, that the police force should be on high alert to strengthen the security in and around the schools, colleges, religious places, vital installations like government offices, airport, railway stations, bus stand, busy markets, tourist places, beaches.
Taking a lesson from Delhi rape case, Goa Police will soon start self-defense classes for women in Goa. Data with Goa Police says, Goa Police Women Helpline number 1091 receives almost 3 calls per day. More than 800 calls have been received in this year so far. It took 3 years for Goa Police to put in place a reporting system for this women helpline since 2011. While the Delhi Nirbhaya rape case completes 2 years, what special report?
We are planning to conduct self-defense classes for the girls, student, colleges, schools, so that they can be confident while moving in the area or dealing with the goons or antisocial elements.
Delhi's Nirbhaya rape case exactly 2 years back got the shocked nation to the streets. Following the incident, first woman helpline number 1091 was activated. The calls received by this helpline number proves its significance. This year till 16 December, total 802 calls have been received. On 12 December, Goa Police launched a dedicated email ID to lodge complaints over email. In addition to that, from 19 December onwards, every police station of Goa will have a special woman desk.
To provide foolproof security to women and girls in the state of Goa, we have launched various, and number one is the women help desk. Women help desk in all police stations attended by the women police personnel only. We have women helpline 1091. We are receiving very good response on that number. Number 3, recently last week only we have launched the email address so that women can lodge a complaint through email, dedicated email.
SP Umesh Gaonkar, in charge of Women Helpline phone number and email ID, feels that these steps have helped the women victims to approach the police.
Because once the complaint comes on the email ID, then it is being inquired either by a women police station, because normally now the complaints related to the ladies are being inquired by the lady staff only. For the support and assistance of the victim, always the lady police are involved in it.
IG Sunil Garg says, the responsibility of police does not get over with the registration of FIR. To take every case to its logical and legal conclusion, SP of Crime Branch has been made nodal officer to monitor the probe. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.